What if instead you converted your residential home and remodeled it to be something better and more profitable? Why wouldn't anybody want to do that? And how can you do that? What's up guys, my name is Serge. Welcome back to the channel. As always, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and go ahead and leave a comment down below where you're from, who you are, and how you found the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it, guys. Thank you. So today's topic I want to talk about is how you can use a certain method to double the cash flow on your rental properties or a property that you may have currently right now. The traditional way of doing rentals is usually by purchasing the property, renovating it so that you can increase the value of the property and so that you can increase the amount that you're going to charge that tenant that you're going to place in that home after you're done renovating it. Getting the right property for this method is critical. You first want to make sure that you go to your city zoning to make sure you're clear to zone the home, wait for it, as an assisted living home. Once that is done, you can move on to the next phase of making sure the home meets all the minimum requirements required by the Department of Health Services and by the city that you're doing the zoning in. That mainly consists making sure it has a sprinkler system, a fire panel if required by the city, and that the rooms are a certain square footage that the Department of Health Services wants you to have. The third phase is purchasing the property. Talk to your lender, real estate agent, and the proper people during this phase to get you the best deal possible and to tell them your intentions of what you want to do with the property. If you already have the property, just go ahead, go to zoning, see if you can get it zoned. If you can, then great. Next, you want to look up the requirements by the Department of Health Services in your state. And then from there you can move on and get your house converted. Converting the home, there's a wide spectrum of how you can convert the home. You can either completely gut it out, this whole other spectrum, and go all out and get it completely renovated just for assisted living, or you can do just the bare minimum to where you're not having to do much other than putting bathroom rails, toilet rails, getting ramps at each entrance, adding little things like that, and even if it's in your budget, even converting the showers to walk-in showers. That could be something that, depending on your budget and what you want to reinvest in this property. This is a really great idea. If it's something that you haven't thought about, I would highly recommend looking into it in the state that you're in. So here are just a couple examples, guys. I've seen a 4-bedroom home with just 2 bathrooms that weren't converted. The bathrooms were not walk-in shower, okay? I've seen it be rented out for $2,800. Another home that I saw was a 8-bedroom, 3-bathroom. 1 bathroom was converted into a walk-in shower, and it was being operated as an assisted living. And so they were just renting out the property. They did have a license on the home and everything, and they were renting it out for $6,000. So yes, it was an 8-bedroom because they converted all that, and like I said, you can gut it out or you can do whatever complete renovations that you want to it, and they were renting it out for $6,000. The last home was quite over the top. They definitely went all out. I mean, it took them about a year and a half to convert this home completely. They did 11 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. All the bathrooms are walk-in showers. All the rooms were private. So they did a really great job. It was a really nice house, and they were leasing it out for $12,000. These are just a couple of examples of homes that were either zoned or converted over to an assisted living. And the nice thing about this, guys, is that a lot of these lease agreements that I've seen have gone anywhere from 3 to 5 years. So you're gonna have a guaranteed tenant running a successful business in a successful industry, a booming industry, for 3 to 5 years. You're not gonna have the high rate of vacancies that you normally would with the traditional renting. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead, just give a thumbs up, comment down below any questions that you guys may have about this method and what you guys want to learn more about. So just go ahead, comment down below. Again, smash that subscribe button, guys, and let me know how I'm doing. Just go ahead, give a thumbs up if you really like the information. And again, follow me at Serge_Lopescu on Instagram, and DM me any questions that you guys may have about this industry with assisted living, or just even Shopify or anything along the lines of that I've done before. So go ahead, guys, follow me, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.